welcome to Ratchet and Clank: A Crack in Time Part 2.
Space. It's huge. So huge, in fact, that if you lost your car keys in it, they would be almost impossible to find. Luckily for Ratchet, Captain Copernicus L. Quark was on the case. His mission, rescue the Lombax's one and only friend. Yep, without Clank, Ratchet was alone in the universe. Alone. Alone. Alone.
You realize this ship has an ejector seat, right?
Sorry. I guess you could say I've been a little antsy in my pensy at the thought of getting back into the hero business. Yep. These wild stallions have been in the stable too long.
Right. Look, just keep your eyes peeled. Talon says this sector's crawling with mercenaries.
Rest easy, my friend. My vigilance is both eternal and peripheral.
Warning. Warning. Unidentified anomaly detected.
Hang on. Shifting to a basic maneuver.
Oh no, we're gonna die! We're gonna die! Oh, good thing I'm wearing clean underwear.
Will you shut up? We are not gonna die! Aphelion, engage gravimetric stabilizers.
Negative. Stabilizers offline. Thrusters offline. Landing flaps offline.
All right. No, we're gonna die. Hang on!
Yep, that is Mayor Vidal.
I know. So much for clean underwear.
Yep.
Where the heck are we?
Beat me. Perhaps a leisurely stroll through this uncharted jungle will solve the mystery.
And perhaps our work will do it worse.
Marooned on a hostile alien planet, Captain Quark realized his rescue mission would inevitably pit him against the most terrifying evil of all, nature itself.
Okay, so you get a skill point for upgrading your weapon, so we're going to do that. Wait, you get the poke hole. So here down we got some things.
Ratchet! Nature is attacking! What's that for a sidekick? Okay, Slight Bubble. I'm not so good with swimming.
Just wait here. I'll find you another way across.
Oh, great. This rain is going to be murder on my spandex.
Yeah, it's rain for the water. Okay, so there's a golden bolt over there, but you can
where there
get
are
it with
bridges,
rocket
there are
boots.
people. Where there are people, there are ships. You see where I'm going with this?
Oh yeah, I know.
That's pretty smart. You're going to make a great sidekick.
Shut up, you're my psychic.
Native craftsmanship.
You're my psychic.
Take that, coat.
Whoa! Quark, are you seeing this? Something is seriously wrong with this planet.
It's like time is all not working.
Okay, let's go through.
Rumble, you stupid door!
I'll find another way around. You gonna be alright with those things on the loose?
Please, I can handle a few tiny creatures.
Yeah, it's not this. let's fight. Round 1. Round 2. Round 3. You're the winner.
Those things, they were horrible. Come on, maybe there's a hotel
I mean,
around
they
here.
aren't so horrible. I mean,
What? My concern for his compatriots' well-being, Captain Quark's noble sidekick ninja leaps from stone to stone, below him 6 deadly inches of crystal blue. With his enemies vanquished, Captain Quark steals into the jungle, blaster at the ready, prepared to deliver swift justice to those who cross his path.
let's see.
Are you tired of having to purchase a different weapon for every occasion? Then try Gromonet's new Constructo line and take charge of your arsenal. Each weapon can be modified with any Constructo-approved upgrade. Rate of fire, ammo type, specialty triggers. If you can dream it, Constructo can deliver it. Now available in 3 flavors. The Constructo Bomb Glove, Constructo Pistol, and Constructo Shotgun.
Constructo.
This door is ajar.
Oh, brother.
Thanks, Ratchet. I had something in my eye. It's a change, villain.
What? I squabbled in first level. Oh.
Help! Please! Please help me! My children! They're in danger!
What seems to be the problem, citizen?
Typhoids. We were fishing up the river when they attacked.
Quark, stay here. I'll go save the children.
You got it, sidekick. Smart thinking. I'll just stay here and hold the fort.
Wow! Thanks, mister! My mom's over there!
Congratulations! Your weapon is upgraded. Weapons upgrade automatically as they are used. This increases their damage and adds no...
Praise Orvis.
So if you do this with the ranch, you get a skill point. I've done it and I got a skill point. But you also get a skill point for upgrading your weapons, so...
Are you a real wombat?
Okay, so I got the secret for you. A very big secret. You know where the golden bolt is? It's right over here. And there's a golden bolt in the end of the level and in the middle of the level, but in the middle I've never got it because you need rocket boots. Going in the field.
Rex! You're my hero!
Oh, sorry,
I still
I'm a
haven't
little
gotten
afraid.
cleaner. Mom! Dad! Somebody!
Television help me, Buck.
Kid, I will save ya. I mean, not I, but Ratchet and I. Sorry. Thanks for watching Ratchet and Clank Crack in Time Part 3.